All right. So as I said, we'll start with the formula thing. So formula is basically a field. Okay. So let's take an example here of the project we are talking about. Let's take the same example. Let's go back to our gift box app and try to create a product object, and on that I'll put a price field and tax field. Okay. Let's work on the same example. Okay, the product object is already there. And there's a price field also available there. Fine. So why the product object is not available under gift box app? Why I can't see this here? The object is created, custom object is there, but I cannot see it here. What can be the reason? Who can tell me that? Why can't we see the object here? In case anyone is trying to speak, please unmute your microphone.
I could not add those tabs.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, I want an answer from others.
Yes,
Fine, Vijay. I know, I mean, you have done it and you are aware of what you have not done. But I'm trying to ask others that what can be the reason. Let's say you have joined a company, you are into your client's login and you see that, okay, fine, the object is there, but it does not appear there. What can be the reason for that?
because no tab has been created for that object.
How do you know that no tab has been created? How do you know that no tab has been created? I mean, that can be one of the reasons, but we cannot say that no tab is created, right? We have to check that thing. That is one, possibility. What can be the other possibility? One possibility is that
Probably the profile has no permission to check the object.
one possibility is that second possibility, profile does not have permission. Okay. Second possibility, profile does not have permission. Third possibility,
Can be under the plus sign.
can be, sorry, what?
Yeah, there's a plus symbol.
Right. So that is again third option. So one profile does not have that tab at all. First option, tab does not exist. I mean, has not been created. Second is tab is not available to the profile. Third is tab is not available on the tab panel. It can be under the plus sign. Okay. One more.
Is it is because of excuse me? Hello?
Whoever it was, please speak a little louder. I could not hear. Maybe because of I don't know. Was someone trying to speak? No? Sarabjit, I guess.
Because of default off settings of the tab.
Default off, that is what we just talked about, no? Under the plus sign. So if it is default off, then it will appear under this. Okay. One more reason can be that tab might not have been allocated under this particular app. So one is the profile aspect, one is the app aspect. So that profile, if I am looking here, so this is what I am actually looking under the gift box app. So that tab might not be available under this app. That can be one more thing, right? So now first thing that you have to do is go and check whether the tab has been created. If the tab is created, then go and see whether that is available under this app. If that is available under this app also, but still not visible to you, then it means that it has got something to do with your profile. Got it? So let me go to the tab. Product tab is not there. Okay, fine. Let's create. Anyone who could not understand what we discussed just now needs to revise all the sessions. In case there is someone who could not understand at all, what reasons can be, what can be the possible reasons for the tab not appearing here, needs serious revision over this weekend, right? In case you are not clear on these things, I would suggest take out some time. I think it's hardly 8 or 9 hours or 7-8 hours of video that you have on that Google Drive. Please take out time and watch all the videos over the weekend in case you are not clear. If you were clear, you understood it, you are good. So I have created the tab and made it available under the gift box app.